I'm Kirk Van Linden, co-founder and president of sales at Teach Me to Sell. The last 15 years or so of my life have been dedicated to training, mentoring, and consulting in a sales capacity. I started my career with over 10,000 hours of my own sales conversations. From there, the next 8 years were spent training sales classes and working as an internal sales consultant, working with sales teams and their sales managers to help them maximize their results. Although I've read plenty of powerful sales books along the way, most of my expertise comes from real-world experience, formal sales training, and learning from my own mistakes. Today, what I enjoy most is sharing what I've learned and helping other people find and maximize their potential. It's become my purpose and why I'm here with you today.
My name is Ryan Stanley. I am the headmaster of mindset at Teach Me to Sell. Some of you may know me as a speaker and author of Be Patient, Be Present, Be Joyful, a first aid kit for the emotional bumps, scrapes, and bruises of life. But I'm also a certified professional coach and have been since 2009. I was the first ever internal coach from the world's top coach training organizations. And during my time there, I was also an admissions coach where I did over $22 million in sales in 8 years. I've been a lifelong entrepreneur and connected to self-development, sales, and entrepreneurship in some capacity pretty much my whole life. I believe living on purpose doesn't happen by accident, and I love to serve others and help them be the best versions of themselves.